Hey Internet, welcome to Thermodynamics tutorial. This is a made up question not found in your textbooks. We're going to derive the drag force using the units given. We can ignore the free body diagram, so we can go straight to step 2, which is list all the given values, find the unknown. So they give us velocity, density, area, and coefficient of drag. Step 3, what do we know? So we know that the drag force is kilograms per meter per second squared. And then we have these units which have these values. So coefficient of drag has no units. Area is meters squared, density is kilograms per meter cubed, and velocity is meters per second. So step 4, correlate the units. So what we need to do is multiply the right hand side so it equates to the left hand side. So step 5, the formula, that's a typo, that's actually drag force. So step 5, derive drag force. So FD is the drag force. So the coefficient of drag multiplied by the density multiplied by the area multiplied by the velocity squared. And that will give us the units from step 4, which is kilograms per meter cubed multiplied by meters to the 4 divided by second squared. So the meters will cancel out, leaving only 1 meter on top, and then the second squared remains on the bottom. Kilograms is unchanged. Okay, note that this only works with units that have units. So if you have a unitless unit, it won't work properly. Okay. So disclaimers, the method is correct. However, I do make calculation mistakes. I encourage you to solve it yourself and see if you get the same answer. Before we leave, I highly encourage you to save this video onto your PC, just in case this video or channel gets taken down while I follow all copyright laws. Sometimes things just happen. You can do this by using snipping tool. Click on snipping tool in your taskbar. If it's not there, go into your Windows search, type in snipping tool, open it up. Once open, click on the video option, then click on new. Left click and drag the rectangle to cover the YouTube screen. This is just an example. Hit the start button in snipping tool, wait for the countdown, hit the replay button on YouTube, let the video finish. Hit the red square button in the snipping tool to stop recording, then save your video. Thanks for watching. Hope you had a great day. Be sure to like, subscribe, share with your friends, because this is a made up question, so they probably won't be able to find it. If you got questions, comments, or if you find a mistake in the video, leave it in the comment section. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. If you want to support me, become a member or drop a super thanks. Until next time, see ya.